What's up you guys, it's your girl Imani here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the family. We over here loving the hair that grows out of our head. You dig? Alright. So today you guys, I am hopping on the bandwagon. I really was not going to do this video, but then my girl Naturally Ronnie did it, and when I tell you I was crying, like crying at her video. It was so funny. If you guys have not seen it, I'm gonna link it up above in the eye. But as you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going ahead and following suit and trying out this S curl and wave gel activator. Y'all know the Jheri curl, like your mama had a Jheri curl, like that's what I'm trying today. So I went to the beauty supply store today and I got first the S curl no drip curl activator moisturizer, and then I also got the curl and wave gel activator, and I really don't know what to expect. Like, Ronnie's video was super funny. I thought it didn't look, you know, too bad, but you know, I told old girl not to do it again. I can talk about her, y'all can't. That's my friend. And then I saw like a whole bunch of like fails and then a whole bunch of like successes with this, so I have no idea what this is about to look like on me. Like, I don't have a lot of hopes, like high hopes for it. Like, we really just doing this for fun. Let's see what happens when we let this soul glow. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about. Sing it with me one time. And just let your soul. I hit that note. I hit it though. I'm gonna try to get a success out of this though, y'all. So I watched a few videos and a lot of people said that if you oversaturate your hair with water before you start applying anything, then you have a better chance at getting a better look. So got my water bottle right here, and then I also saw that a lot of people were pairing this up with the Extreme styling gel. So I have this on hand just in case we need it, because if I feel like my hair is not going to have a ton of hold, we're gonna follow up with this, because I also am working with freshly co-washed hair. I didn't want to wash my hair with shampoo before I did this, because if I don't like it, like, I'm rinsing it out immediately. Not immediately, immediately. And I didn't want to possibly wash my hair with shampoo 2 days in a row. Like, my hair can't take all that. So we're gonna start. My hair is still kind of wet. I'm gonna take like a third of the section the same way I do all my wash and goes, and it is already detangled, y'all. I have some leave-in in as well, and I'm just gonna saturate it with some more water. Y'all see what moisture training has been doing for my hair though? Like, do y'all see that? That already looks amazing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead with the Curl Activator Moisturizer first. And my hands are so slippery. Let me dry them a little bit. What? Yo, I ain't really mad about what that activator just did. Like, this is what that activator was doing for y'all back in the day. I think I have enough of the activator. I just opened up this jar of the gel activator, and my goodness, that ain't gonna have no holes. All right, let's see. I'm gonna take what just spilled into the cap, and just like I do my gels. That smells good. Some people were saying they could not stand the smell. I like it. I'm gonna put a little bit more, because yeah, it's very, very lightweight. Like, I'm not gonna have no hole, but I kind of don't want to put the gel, my Extreme gel, on top, just because I really just want to see what this do. Like, I want to see if it do what it do without it. Like, it is defining my coils a bit, like I like, and you know, a well-defined wash and go. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. Worst case scenario is maybe it won't last me as long as my other wash and goes, because it's just not going to give me as much hold as I like. I don't know, we'll see. stuff smells really good. I don't know what people's talking about. Or maybe I just don't have good taste in smells. I'm a little shook because, let me move this piece because I feel like y'all can't see it that well. Do y'all see that? Like, it was supposed to be all fun and games, but I'm kind of feeling this. Let me find out. I'm rocking the Jheri curl real quick. Let me find out. Let me be in Coming to America Part 2. Okay. So y'all, I'm gonna just speed this up because y'all know what my wash and goes look like. I'm gonna, you know, slow it back down once I am all done, okay? All right, I'm all finished. This is what it's looking like. And I'm not gonna lie, like wet at least, it looks a lot better than I thought it was going to look. Like I really wasn't expecting this at all. What I'm gonna tell y'all I can't deal with is this joint. Let me show y'all. It says no drip right here, right? Isn't that what y'all see? Right here, it says no drip. No drip. I'm dripping. Like drip. Like, can y'all see this drip? Because I feel it. My chair feels it. My floor feels it. My background feels it. And I don't like it. Thankfully, it just feels like it's water dripping and it don't feel like sticky or anything. But I don't like it. I don't like this feeling at all. I feel like I shouldn't sit under the dryer. But I'm going to treat this like a regular wash and go. And it's late anyway, and I'm not trying to sleep on this like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit under my dryer. I feel like it's gonna take a long time to dry even under the dryer though, y'all. It's just like soaking, dripping wet right now, but we'll see. I'm gonna sit under my dryer for the same time I usually do, a little over an hour, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys when it is all dry. Let's see what happens. Let's see, y'all. Don't forget, I don't have no additional gel on here for hold, so let's see. All right, darling, we are dry, like all the way, except for like a couple pieces at the back right here on the ends, like the tips, which is really annoying. When I tell you I was under that dryer, for about an hour and a half, I would say, and it was like still halfway through that it was still dripping down onto my shoulders. Like the no drip lied. It lied. But yeah, so this is what it looks like dry. I'm happy because I see like one white flake right there. I can't get it. I don't know how to position my finger. Get it. There we go. We got it. But yeah, so I don't have like any white residue. Do a little spin for y'all. My hair looking thick, child. But yeah, so it is very soft. Very soft. It's not crunchy at all like how my other wash and goes are, even though I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I like it to be a little bit, like a little bit of that crunch, because I know the wash and go gonna last for days on days on days. You know what I mean? Like, it's not gonna be crunchy after I stretch it, but like, yeah. But yeah, it's super soft. It's not sticky at all. It's sticky on my neck. Really sticky on my neck, as it was like dripping on my neck, but it's not sticky on my actual hair. But I don't know if y'all can see, I'm still getting a ton, like a ton of definition from my kinks and my coils. Like they're Poppington, even without that extra hard feel, like, and look and whatnot. It's just a softer version of the wash and go that I love. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. And I also love that I don't look like an actor from Coming to America. So just like my regular wash and go, I am gonna go ahead and do my regular nighttime routine where I stretch my hair and do my scrunchies on it and put my bonnet on, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the final product looks like once I do that and take it off in the morning, okay? But my hopes were like here, my hopes were like here, and now they're like here. So let's see if tomorrow they'll be like here. You know, you can't even see that. Let's see if it's there tomorrow. But yeah, so fingers crossed, y'all. Fingers crossed. Good morning, y'all. This is a Jheri curl. This is what the Jheri curl juice did to my hair, and I'm here for it. Do y'all see? Do y'all see? Like, it is not the normal wash and go y'all usually see, because my hair is like at its purest form right now. It's literally just my fro. Some of the curls and the kinks and the coils are a little defined, but it's mostly just a nice little fro. I'm here for it. So I have a few like little flakes, I guess, in areas that I just put maybe too much, but I feel like I couldn't have put any less, because as much as I like it, I know that this is only gonna last me like 2 days because there's no hold. So y'all, I would absolutely recommend putting another gel on top of it if you want it to last a few days. And if you want the actual Jheri curl look, which I don't know how you could, but if you want the actual Jheri curl look, you can't dry it. Like, that's pretty much where I'm coming, like that's my conclusion, is you cannot dry the Jheri curl juice or you're gonna have just a fro, but you're gonna have your hair in its most natural state, I guess you can say. I mean, I have this stretched. It could look a lot more shrunken, but this is as natural as it's going to get with products in my hair while it's stretched, and I'm here for it. Like, I ain't mad at it. It's so soft, and y'all see that movement? I don't get that movement when I have so much gel and other products in my hair. It's definitely flaking though. It's flaking a lot. Now that I'm kind of playing with it. But yeah, I need to shape it a little bit more. Thankfully, I mean, I'm still working remote, so I ain't going nowhere, and it's kind of a rainy day, so you know, the rain won't get to me today, but I ain't mad at it. Let me show y'all the back. I didn't think I would be a fan of freaking Luster's S-Curl, the Jheri curl juice, and the gel, but I kind of am. If you're looking for that more, you know, if you trying to leave the couches with that drip, then you don't want to dry it, and it's one of those styles that, you know, you want to do it early in the morning so the wetness and the drip could last you all day. So what do you guys think? You guys think you're gonna give this a try? You know, I actually may have to hold on to this for a little while. I might have to hold on to this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a new video. And other than that, I will see you guys for my next one. Bye.